Now we are going to discuss about the greenhouse effect. Okay, so what is this greenhouse effect? We should know what is the impact of the greenhouse. What are the greenhouse gases first of all? Okay, so the greenhouse gases are that maintains the global warming. Okay, in case, as I said earlier in the previous class, in case suppose if there is no this type of gases, then the temperature in the equator will be very high and the temperature at the poles will be very low. Understand? So this will create some abnormal condition on the surface of the earth. Okay, so how this is avoided? This is avoided using this atmosphere. Okay, in this atmosphere there are many gases, okay, especially the carbon dioxide, helium and chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, these are the gases that is available, and maximum the available gas is carbon dioxide. Okay, only this carbon dioxide maintains the global warming. Okay, so here you can see the light rays is from the sun is heading the earth. Okay, on the earth again it is reflected. The surface of the earth reflects the light. Okay, and that light is not reflected into the atmosphere. Okay, it is again scattered in the atmosphere. அது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அட்மாஸ்பியருக்கு வெளியில போகல, திரும்ப நம்ம எர்த்தை சுத்தி இருக்கிற அட்மாஸ்பியர்லயே தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஒரு சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ், இந்த ஒரு சர்க்கிள்குள்ளேயே இந்த கேஸஸ்லாம் இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த கிரீன் ஹவுஸ் கேஸஸ் மெயின்டைன் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட், fine, environmental impact of solar power. Okay, how the solar power is creating an impact on the environment. Already we know that there are many impacts created by many renewable energy sources. Out of the renewable energy sources, solar power is also having some drawbacks. Okay, so what are the major drawbacks on the solar panel, solar power? Okay, before going to study the solar power, we should know that what are the form of energy we are getting from the sun. Okay, the form of energy that we are getting from the sun is, first is heat energy and then light energy. Heat energy and light energy. The heat energy is utilized here in concentrating solar thermal plants, whereas the light energy is utilized in solar photovoltaic cells. Okay, the solar photovoltaic cell converts the light energy into electrical energy, keep in mind, and the concentrating solar thermal plant will convert heat energy into electrical energy. Okay, fine. Next one is environmental impacts associated with the solar power. First one is land use. Okay, then habitat loss, then water use, and then use of hazardous material. Okay, use of hazardous material. Okay, hazardous material in the time of manufacturing. Okay, and we will see in detail everything. And finally, it depends upon the technologies. It depends upon the technologies. First we will discuss about the use of land. Okay, so you look at the aerial view of this solar power plant. Okay, PV power plant. Okay, see, this is the power plant, one of the biggest power plant in India so far. Okay, up to December 2019, this is the one of the biggest solar power plant in India. Okay, it is located in Badal Solar Park. Okay, so the total area is, just look at the slide, you can see that it is 4,500 hectare. 4,500 hectare. Okay, this 4,500 hectare is nothing but the total area of Samyepuram. Okay, the total area of Samyepuram will be this area. ஓகே, அப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மொத்த ஏரியாவையும் இது வந்து தரிசு நிலமாக இருக்கிறதுனால இட் இஸ் நாட் அ பிக் இஷ்யூ. ஓகே, இது வந்து this land is not suitable for cultivation, so they are using for this purpose. Suppose you just imagine if we don't have any land, unwanted land, if we have to suppose to use the cultivation land, then you just imagine how much of land is being wasted. Okay, in this 4,500 hectare, if we start cultivation, we can cultivate tons of crops, especially the paddy. Okay, நெல்லெல்லாம் இதில் போட்டோம்னா ஒரு போகத்துக்கு எப்படி பார்த்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு 100-150 டன் வரும். ஓகே, that will satisfy the food need of a city alone. But you just imagine here, this whole area is being wasted. Okay, and just listen, this is not a wasteland. Before establishing this power plant, there might had some habitat in the sense this place might be a place of home for some other animals. Okay, this place might be a home for some other animals, that we call it as habitat. Okay, habitat அப்படின்னா நமக்கு வந்து வீடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். நம்மளோட பிளேஸ், நம்ம வசிக்கிற இடம் வந்து வீடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஹோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஆனால் மிருகங்கள், தாவரங்கள், அப்புறம் இந்த சின்ன சின்ன பூச்சிகள், அதுங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வீடுன்றது ஒன்று கிடையாது. ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஹேபிடேட். ஹேபிடேட் இஸ் a living place of such small creatures. Okay, so you just imagine all the creatures in this place were evacuated or destroyed. Okay, அங்கிருந்து அந்த மிருகங்கள் எல்லாம் ஒன்று அடித்து விரட்டி இருக்கப்படும், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா கொண்டு இருக்கப்படும். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சோலார் பிளான்ட் நம்ம எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணோம்னா இவ்வளோ பெரிய லேண்ட் ஏரியா வேஸ்ட் ஆகுது. இவ்வளோ லேண்ட் ஏரியாவுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி இருந்த ஹேபிடேட் எல்லாமே நம்ம அடித்து விரட்டி இருக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி பவர் பிளான்ட் that it is generating around 2245 megawatt. Okay, this is a land use. This is an example for land use. Okay, this is the example for land use for PV. PV is, it converts light energy into electrical energy. And this is one more example of using large area. Okay, this is one more example of consuming, that is utilizing large area for concentrating solar thermal power plant. Okay, it converts heat energy into electrical energy. Okay, where it is located? It is located in the Sahara Desert. It is located in the Sahara Desert, and this is one of the world largest concentrated solar power plant. Okay, and how much amount of energy it is being generated is 580 megawatts. 580 megawatt. So you can't imagine such a huge area, okay, being destroyed and utilized for only power generation.